This simple project turned out absolutely brilliant and was a lot of fun to make. Here I'm making the sides, cutting some 4mm ply to size. Then I'll make this angle jig to cut a 3-degree angle on all sides of the basket. This angle here is 3 degrees. This angle here is 6. Unfortunately, I lost that part of the footage. So all I can do is show you how it's made and how it works. You just draw a parallel line down the center. Then this second line is the first angle of the cut. The other side of the wedge is double that angle. And here is a finished jig. You definitely need that stop at the end of the jig. This may not work with thicker boards. Because this board is so thin, I can push it flat against the saw. And that's it. And now I'm making a jig to cut the handles. So I've made the sides and a base piece. This is a prototype, and I've decided to join the base together with paracord, and I think that sort of stitch looks nice. The challenge is to get 1 inch gap between each hole exactly the same without any blowout. To do that, I'm going to make a drill guide out of this piece of scrap. Brilliant. Nice and clean. I'm going to clamp it between these 2 pieces of hardwood. This top piece will be the guide and the template. Wish me luck. Nearly done. Just need to sand, seal the wood with some finish, and then assemble. You can melt paracord, and here I've melted the tip into a point for threading. And to join it, I'm going to melt the ends together. Perfect. Now I've got these jigs, I can make more baskets, any size, real quick. But quickly, if you like this content and you want to see some more, there's a video down here that YouTube recommends for you. And if you want to give me a high five, click over there and subscribe. I really appreciate it.